Hi, this is Ken from Winning West. I'm gonna show you 1993 Honda Acty van, silver and gray interior. That's 104,000 kilometer mileage. This is about 60, a little less than 65,000 miles. Silver. Actually, this van had, firstly it was a dent in gear, but we repaired, and paint condition wasn't good, and we repainted, brushed silver. I didn't polish it. Rear bumper has dent, and also tailgate has a dent. This one was it was not easy to bodywork, then I left it original. And it was couple dents on the sliding door left hand side, but we removed. Okay, let's see interior. We restored the interior. Mechanical condition is very good. One shot. Driver seat isn't good condition. We covered it with seat cover. This handle is no problem. To fold this second seat, have to unfold this much, then it goes down like this until it completely flat, 6 feet length, 4 feet wide, and 4 feet tall. Pretty big space. Acty SDX, 2-wheel drive, and engine located underneath. Okay, under the floor. Gasoline 3-cylinder engine located under the floor. 1, 2, 3. And with the AC, this alternator, AC compressor. This is carburetor engine. Air cleaner located here. Pretty easy to maintain. Okay, let's go to drive. We can go. 5-speed manual transmission. Can't drive too fast in here because inside of park. If golf cart can drive, can go the same narrow road as a golf cart or ATV. To the left, go to the right. kilometers, about 45 miles per hour.